Have you ever searched for a file on your Mac but nothing shows up? You type the exact file name into Spotlight search, yet Spotlight acts like it doesn't exist, even though you know it's right there on your Mac. This is even more frustrating when you don't know where the file is to go dig it out manually in Finder. That usually means Spotlight's index is broken. In this video, I will show you how to rebuild it so Spotlight can actually find your files again. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let me explain briefly how Spotlight indexing works. Spotlight works by keeping a database or index of every file on your Mac. But sometimes that index gets corrupted. Maybe you moved a lot of files, renamed things, restored from backup, or installed a new macOS update. And when the index is out of sync, Spotlight won't show results, even when the file is right there. The fix is simple. Force Spotlight to rebuild its index. Here's what I mean. When I open Spotlight and search for this file, nothing comes up, as you can see. But if I check Finder, the file is sitting right there in my desktop folder. So let's fix this by rebuilding Spotlight's index. To do that, open your system settings by clicking this Apple icon at the top left corner. In this search bar, type or start typing Spotlight Search and click on it. Now, scroll all the way down and select Spotlight Privacy. This is where you can tell Spotlight not to index, but we are going to use it as a trick to rebuild everything. Click this little plus button, then scroll down to where it says Location and add your entire hard drive, usually called Macintosh HD. Choose the entire hard drive and you'll get this warning text. Click on OK, then Done. Now, click once again on the Search Privacy, highlight your hard drive and hit the minus button to remove it. Then click on Done. The moment you do that, your Mac will start rebuilding the Spotlight index in the background. That means it's going to scan your whole drive and refresh its database. To confirm that the reset worked, let's go back to the Spotlight and search for the same file we tested earlier. As you can see, the same file has now appeared in the Spotlight search. Now, depending on the size of your drive, rebuilding the index can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. So while it's running, Spotlight might feel a bit slow, but when it finishes, every file will appear exactly as it should. And that's it for this video, guys. If this helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.